So today I'm going to show you how to trim a propeller. For today I'm going to use a 4-inch propeller and trim it down to 3.5 inch. All you need for this is a Dremel and a 3D printed tool. I'll give a link to this below in the description, but it just screws on to a Dremel. This one is a simple one from Beltima. Screw it on, choose the size you want to trim it to, and of course verify it with the size of the bit you're using, and then you're set. Put some washers, space it up to the right height. Now what I like to be conscious about is the direction of spinning for this tool is anti-clockwise. So if it's spinning this way, I want to feed the propeller in this way. Nice and steady. It does tend to vibrate a bit. Pass it a few more times. There you go. Just remove the bits and pieces and maybe use a sandpaper, a fine grit to sand it down a bit. This is the 3.5 inch Roma F35 for the F35 drone, and the benefit of using this tool is that it's quite even on all propellers, so hopefully they're all balanced. Fits quite well. This is a very odd drone with a 3.5 inch propeller, which is quite difficult to find. But the 4-inch propellers are quite readily available. Thank you for watching.